Today, we'll be unboxing the latest flagship TV from Hisense, the H9F ULED. This is probably the best TV for under $1,000 2019. For that much money, you get quantum dot colors. And get this, 1,000 nits, 132 local dimming zones. Nothing comes close for under $1,000. Not the Vizio, not the Samsung, and not the LG. This is quantum dot. Let's see how 4K video images are resolved on other flagship TVs. Which do you prefer? Can you tell which is the king of TVs and which is the Hisense? I'm gonna run through the settings real quick. Now, how about we slow down the scene from Aquaman so you can appreciate how far the Hisense has come. I'm predicting that this is the giant killer of 2019.